this is Vicky. Wanted to tell everybody, welcome to this page. I hope you find something you like, and I'm sure there's one item that you like. Talk to you soon. Bye. Welcome to what is with the hands? This way. Okay. Hey, hi, how's everybody? Hi, you know your name. Hi. Oh, no, leave them on. Hi. No. Hello. No. Haven't helped.